Scientific notation can be very useful for rewriting extremely large and extremely small numbers. When changing a number from decimal form to scientific notation, it's important to remember there can only be one non-zero digit to the left of the decimal point. The exponent of scientific notation represents the number of places and the direction the decimal needs to move between scientific notation and standard form. If the decimal is moved to the right in decimal form to get to scientific notation, the exponent is negative. If the decimal is moved to the left, the exponent is positive. When beginning with the number 654 millionths in decimal form, you first need to move the decimal so that there's only one non-zero digit to the left of the decimal. Then you write an x to represent multiplication, and then 10 to the power of how many times the decimal had to be moved. The exponent will be negative since the decimal in its decimal form had to move to the right to get 6 54/100ths. And we know that the exponent is negative 6 because the decimal moved 6 places to the right. The scientific notation of the decimal form number 654 millionths is 6 54/100ths times 10 to the negative 6.